You're watching Local 10 News, your problem solver station.
An invasive way to win the battle of the bulge. Find out how some people who don't want surgery are now fighting fat. That's up next.
Local 10, South Florida's most watched newscast at 11.
Fighting fat is practically a national pastime these days. From cosmetic procedures to drugs and supplements, Americans are endlessly looking for ways to battle the bulge. And while liposuction remains the most popular procedure among both men and women, those who shy away from surgery now have a non-invasive alternative. Local 10's Christy Kruger shows us how light therapy may actually help fight fat.
Like many women, Jodie Jack has a love-hate relationship with her body.
I hate that as you get older, you get those areas that you cannot. There is no way. I don't care how much you exercise, you do sit-ups, you just don't lose little pouches or little areas.
Fortunately, Jack found Dr. Alan Bauman, who's working with a non-surgical solution to fight that frustrating fat. It's a device called Zerona.
This is a very new breakthrough technology. This is the use of a low-level laser that affects the fat cells. So the application of this laser to the fat cells causes the fat cells to leak. So the stored fat starts to leak out, and your body reclaims it and excretes it. And over a 2-week period of time, you get a reduction in circumference.
Patients simply lie on a table under the device for 6 40-minute sessions over a 2-week period. Red laser lights scan key areas, but the patient feels nothing.
Zerona is a non-thermal laser, so there's no risk of burning or cutting. There's not going to be any damage to the skin whatsoever.
Skeptics who might wonder how it's possible for this to work should know the FDA has cleared the device for safety, but not effectiveness. Despite the lack of peer-reviewed double-blind studies proving it reduces fat, Jodie Jack says it has worked for her.
I lost a total of 8.5 inches, I believe, all over.
Wow, good job.
I'm thrilled. Actually, I'm going to do another treatment. Actually, I want to do even a little bit more.
The series of 6 treatments will cost you $3,600, but no matter how often you do it, any results you get will not last without making lasting lifestyle changes, including your diet and more exercise. With this special medical report, I'm Christy Kruger, Local 10 News.